What's up, friends, and welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are going to draw a winter girl, so grab your markers and let's begin this masterpiece. Okay, we're gonna start with the face. So we're gonna make this for the hair and the face, like that. Okay, now we're gonna make her hat, like a pretty little hat. She'll be wearing, of course, it's winter, you have to wear hats and scarves and everything. A little bear. Oh my gosh, that's a cute idea, to have little bears on your little hat. Okay, that looks super good, and I hope yours looks super good as well. Okay, now we gotta I continue the hair after I'm done making the body, so we can connect them where they belong. So let's do that after as well. So this is like a fluffy thing that she's wearing on her neck, and she's wearing like a little frock, like a little dress. Okay, let's make little buttons. Okay, good. Now let's continue with the arms, I'm gonna say. And then again, some fluffiness. And then she's wearing like a glove, I'm gonna say. That's why her hand is giant. Kind of mixed it up. I should just color it black though, because I mixed it up with the design on her, whatever that is, this little thing above her hand. So let's just do that black. Okay, great. That's so straight. Okay, now we gotta make her beautiful little dress. And yes, it's beautiful. Just like you. Hehe. Okay, we gotta make some fluffy pattern on the bottom. Like the pattern that we are making here, here, here. We also gotta make it on the bottom. Kind of looks like checkered pattern. Yeah, okay. This one kind of messed up. So we can fix it. You can find a way to fix your problems. Okay, now we can make the hair. Or should we leave her bald? Just kidding, of course not. I want to make this girl super pretty, not bald. Okay. Now we gotta make her little boots. Tiny little boots. Okay, and then the other boot, just like that, and then that. Okay, that's the end of my winter girl drawing. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time for another cute video. Bye!